First off, let's chat about the materials you'll be working with. We've got metals like steel, aluminum, and sometimes exotic ones like titanium. Each has its own personality for how it likes to be cut or joined. And then there are the gases. Acetylene and oxygen are the dynamic duo for most torch cutting, while argon and carbon dioxide often crash the party when we talk about MIG or TIG welding. Each gas has a specific role, either to shield the weld from air or to fuel the flame. Moving on to the gear itself, at the heart of welding and cutting, you've got some key players: electrodes, hoses, and cylinders. Electrodes are the frontline soldiers, melting into the weld or cutting through metal. They can be consumable or non-consumable depending on the type of welding you're doing. Hoses can deliver the gases we just talked about, so making sure they're in good shape is crucial. No leaks and no weak spots. Cylinders hold your gases under high pressure, and treating them right is the key to keeping your workshop safe. Now let's talk shop about keeping all this gear in check. Maintenance and inspection might sound like chores, but think of it as tuning your guitar before a gig. You want everything to work smoothly when the show starts, right? Daily checks on hoses and connections can save the day. Look for cracks, wear, and ensure fittings are snug, not too tight, but just right. Inspect your cylinders for signs of any damage or corrosion, and always store them properly, upright and secure. Be sure all cylinders are stored with valve covers in place. Clean your work area before and after sessions. Clutter could lead to accidents, and we want our workspace as tidy as our welds. Keeping your equipment in tip-top shape not only ensures safety, but also improves the quality of your work.